What is up, guys? Welcome to Red 50. Today we are going to be showing you how to reset the oil life
I got it done
monitor
from a
on
smaller
your
shop,
Mustang.
so they didn't
Maybe
reset it
just
for
got
me
the oil
because
change,
I
the
wanted to
dealership
do it by
forgot to
myself.
reset it for you,
Well,
or you're getting oil change from a local shop or doing it yourself, which means you have to manually do it. It is worth noting that if you are
got it
getting
done
this
from a
warning
smaller
and
shop,
you
so they
haven't
didn't
had your
reset
oil
it for me
changed, don't
because
just reset it. Actually get your oil change done. The reminders are there for a reason. Now, I've heard a lot of people ask this question: how does it calculate? Because sometimes they get reminders saying at 5,000 miles, sometimes it's 7,000 miles, what it takes
I got it
for
done
the
from a
light to
smaller
trigger.
shop, so they
Well,
didn't
the oil
reset it.
monitor system is actually pretty smart. So depending on how you drive the car, so if you're at the drag strip and just constantly revving your car out, or even on back roads having fun in your Mustang, which is how it's supposed to be driven, then you're definitely going to get the reminder a lot sooner than someone who's just cruising on the highway. It's kind of like your miles per gallon meter too, where it calculates how you've driven the last 100 miles and gives you the accurate, or not accurate, but a close approximation as to what the mileage should be based on how you've previously driven. So if you're driving the highway with barely giving any gas, it will show you 300 plus range. But if you've been getting on the car, it'll probably show you in low 200s or mid 200s. And that I'm speaking for the GT itself.
But yeah, so let's take a look at it. I've got already my 2019 Mustang GT turned on. I did recently get the oil change, so I just have to reset it. So we're going to go ahead and click this button right here. Press it here. This changes the menu, and then it will have the settings here. You want to go to the advanced settings, which is right over here. Once you click advanced settings, you want to go to vehicle. Then you want to go to oil life reset. So here it's telling me it's 20% oil life is still left, which if I have just gotten the recent oil change done, that would be concerning. But I know I got it done from a smaller shop, so they didn't reset it for me because I wanted to do it by myself. Well, in this case, it's 28% oil life left. So what we're going to do is hit this OK button and hold it. Just this one right here. And as I'm doing it, you can see the bar is going through. So if you leave it off, it's not going to reset. It's not just one tap and it's done. You got to hold it. And then now if you go back, oops, here you go. We're back to 100% now. This is also shown on your Ford Pass app as well. So now that you've reset it, it's going to go back to 100%, and it's going to go down depending on how you're driving the car.
Me personally, I always change the oil full synthetic every 5,000 miles, but I think it's a good reminder for people who are not changing it as frequently or just kind of forget about it and aren't as religious with the maintenance, that this reminder pops up letting you know, hey, you're coming up for an oil change due. Even if you have the Ford Pass app, it will give you a reminder on your phone saying that you're getting to the limit where you should be changing your oil. So it's not like it gets to 0%, then it gives you the reminder. It will drop to like 20% or so, and it will tell you like, hey, it's 20% within the next 1,000 miles or so. Make sure you schedule an oil change, which to me, I think is a very neat feature that Ford has implemented in the car. But yeah, that's how you reset the oil life monitor on your Mustang. Very easy to do so. Of course, don't just do it if you just find the reminder to be annoying. Actually change the oil before you reset the oil life monitor. I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to reset the oil life monitor on the Mustang. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Comment below which oil are you running on your Mustang. And of course, subscribe to Red 50 for more videos.